Okay, this is Brent at Arkansas, guys. I've got a situation here. That eggplant right there is a cross I've made, not the one growing next to it, but the bigger one is a cross I made. And the problem is it's not ripe, it's not ready, but we have a hard freeze coming tonight and this won't make it. So I'm going to attempt to cut it back some and pot it up in that pot there and bring it inside the winter greenhouse. Now, it don't have to survive, but long enough to help mature that one eggplant. And I've never done this before. Conceptually, hopefully it'll work if I can get enough root off of it. So we'll see. I'm going to do that with this, and I'm going to do it with my pepper. I'll show you that. Alright, I've showed this in the last video, I think, but I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to cut all the peppers off, except for one or maybe two, and I'm going to try to get this plant, which isn't actually very big. That's one of the reasons why I kind of like it. And I'm going to try to get enough roots out of that to also pot it up. So let me do that, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done, and then before I publish the video, in other words, in just a few minutes here, I'll show you as time goes on to see what happens with the plants. We're going to move a lot of the foliage, remove a lot of the foliage and all the fruit except the one I want. And this is what the plant looks like now. And I've got my little tool here, that little shovel tool here. I'm going to pull it out. Now this is what it looks like pulled out of the ground, and I'm drying out the roots here just so I can film it for you, but I'm going to get this in a pot real quick here. Alright, I had a mixture of rice hulls, some potting mix, and some peat moss that I've been using. I put it in there, saturated and tapped it down like this, and it's soaking, and we're just going to let it drain before we bring it in the winter greenhouse. And I'm going to go get the pepper now. There's the bell pepper. Roots are smaller than the eggplant. The longer ones aren't as thick, and I did probably chop through some, but I really expected more roots. So that's what it looks like, all but one bell. And all I need to do is just have this thing provide enough energy to turn that thing completely red so I can ensure that the seeds are good. Pot it up. Got a 1020 underneath it. We'll water through the bottom watering as needed. And we'll keep it like this until the fruit ripens or the plants die. And they're going to sit in this winter greenhouse somewhere, but for now they're here, soaking up the LED lights in this early evening before the big freeze. This is Brent. We'll see you guys later.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here, check here, and hit save. You guys take care.